Let's get to our trader rundown now with Michele Schneider. She's with the Market Gauge Group, and we love having you here, Michele. What geopolitical issues are happening now that might have an effect on the market?
Well, there are two. One is Russia amassing troops near Ukraine, and the other would be Israel and Iran, where they just shut down some centrifuges there that are uranium-based. So I think that both of them have a central theme, which of course is oil, and we're seeing oil prices start out the week up as a result of that. But there's definitely reasons to keep your eye not just on the oil market, on those two situations, but we actually have an administration that wanted more money for the Pentagon. And so we do have a very type of environment than we had under the last administration. So if these flare up, not only could it affect the already sensitive rising prices of commodities, but it could also really impact negatively the overall stock market. So this is two things we have to keep an eye on, see if they peter out or if they accelerate.
What do you think about the big Coinbase IPO this week?
Well, it's definitely a reason why we saw a tremendous amount of buying in the weekend, not just in Bitcoin and Ethereum, but in all of the different alternative coins, with Binance being doubled over the weekend as a result. So there is an anticipation of anywhere from $20 billion to $400 billion valuation, with a stock price starting out at about 300. I think it's really exciting because it adds further legitimacy. It's going to give a lot of retail investors who haven't traded the space an opportunity. But like I always tell people with all IPOs, you want to have a little bit of historical price action before you jump in so that you can at very least protect yourself with some kind of a risk parameter.
Thanks as always, Michele.
Thank you so much.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.